Welcome to the NOLA Public Schools new Parent Portal. All users will register as a new user the first time you access the portal. If this is your first time accessing the portal, click Sign Up or connect using Google or Facebook. There is no password for login, and you will receive a code by email whenever you log in. On the welcome screen, select your language by using the drop-down menu at the top. You'll see a box that says My Students. If your child has ever attended a NOLA public school, they are already in our system, and you will click Find an Existing Student. If your child has never attended a NOLA public school, you will click Add New. To link an existing student to your account, you'll need to enter their details here, including their OneApp ID. If you don't know your OneApp ID, please reach out to us at enroll@nolapublicschools.com. Once you've linked a student, back on the home page, you will see them listed under My Students. If you haven't yet started an application for them, this link will say Start Application. If you have started an application, this link will say Continue Application. The first screen is your student details, and you can make any changes to the contact information that you need to. The next screen is Family Link. You can opt out of Family Link by clicking the second button. If you want to make sure your students are placed with other related students that have a different parent applying for them, you can click the third button and enter a Family Link code on the next page. You will also receive a Family Link code to share with other members of your family. When you click Next, you will see your Family Link code right here. Communication preferences are next, and you can indicate if you would like to be contacted through email and text or just email. The next screen is School Selection, and this will actually take place in 3 separate steps. The first screen will show you what schools you qualify for with priority placement. In this case, I'm seeing geographic priorities, but other priorities, such as sibling priority, also exist. Click any boxes for any of these schools that you're interested in, or you can skip these schools. The next screen is for all open enrollment schools. You will need to click into the box to see the drop-down menu. Click as many schools as you are interested in. Or you can click Skip these schools. When you click Next, the third screen will show you any school where there is eligibility criteria or other requirements that you need to finish in order to be eligible to attend these schools. Each school has different requirements, such as an assessment or an open house or other criteria. You can view more information on applying to these schools on our website, but if you're interested in any of these schools, definitely select them and rank them as a first step. Or you can click Skip these schools. The last page is where you will sort and rank your top 12 schools. Select a school and use the arrows to move them into the ranked box. You can reorder them however you like. Order does matter, and make sure to list your best choice at the top. You can also change your mind and remove schools. Any schools remaining in the box on the left will not impact your choices. Your final decisions need to be in the box on the right. Remember, you can select and rank up to 12 schools in the box on the right. You will see a confirmation page to double check your choices. Since I selected an eligibility school, this screen is asking me if I'd like to see what the next steps are. If you're aware of the next steps, you can skip this page for now. The last page, you can double check all of your work. If you need to go back to any section and make any changes, click in this drop-down and select the page you would like to return to. You can log back in and make any changes through January 19th. If you're happy with your application, go ahead and submit. Thanks for watching.